Enjoy the view of this 2023 Hyundai Kona Electric. Make every drive feel nimble and smart when you're behind the wheel of this sophisticated Kona Electric. Tech-savvy connectivity, cabin comfort, sophisticated styling, and instant smooth acceleration are just some of the features this super-efficient subcompact SUV delivers. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless start, lane keeping assist, heated front seat, alarm, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, daytime running lights. Celebrate the switch to clean and green in this high-spirited Kona Electric. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.